In today's video, I'll show you the 10 digital skills that are dying right now because of AI. And the worst part, many people are still enrolling for courses to learn these skills without knowing that it is fast disappearing. I'll tell you a quick story. So in 2014, I launched a magazine called College People Magazine, not a blog, not a website, a hard copy print magazine. I went all in, spent a lot of money, in fact hundreds of thousands of money to get the print. It was beautiful. I used a very good print company and it was nice, but guess what? I only sold few copies, not 100 copies, not 1,000 copies, just a few copies after spending all the money that I had spent. And here is why. So by 2014, people had already moved on to their phones. The distribution channel that I depended on, they were already dying quietly. People were no longer picking magazines on the shelf. They were reading whatever resources or whatever news they wanted to read on their phone. So I was pouring money in a space that was already dying or dead. And that's exactly what's happening with these digital skills. People are genuinely working and spending money to learn skills that AI has already made irrelevant. I don't want you to learn the hard way. So here are the 10 skills that are dying right now and what you need to do instead. Sitting at number 1 on the list is basic graphic design. That is one skill that is quickly disappearing right now. And you need to do something about this if you know that this is the skill that you learn and you are making money from it. Because Canva AI, Adobe Firefly, Microsoft Designer, even ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude AI, all those tools are able to design perfect graphic designs for whatever flyer, presentation, social media post, anything, and they do it in a matter of seconds. So while you are still charging maybe 70k or 100,000 or whatever amount you're charging, these clients are able to just create these graphics on their own and in a matter of seconds. So the business is really shrinking. Another skill that is fast disappearing is basic copywriting. Not all copywriting, because this affects me also. I'm also a copywriter, but not everything that a copywriter does can be replicated by AI. But most of them, especially things like ad copy, email sequence, product description, web pages, and things like that. AI is able to write it faster and it's cheaper. I mean, who wants to pay 200,000 naira for a copywriter when they can quickly download a tool and get the copies done brilliantly in a matter of seconds? Right now, Fiverr is full of people that are charging less than $5 for copywriting, just because the competition, they cannot keep up with the competition because they're basically competing with AI. Number 3, basic web design. So with Wix AI, Framer AI, Webflow, and similar other tools, anybody can create or design a website right now in a matter of minutes, and you will have a mobile friendly or mobile ready, user friendly, beautiful website that can compete with anything that a human being will manually create. And that's to tell you that businesses can now by themselves create website in a matter of minutes. They don't need you to pay 300,000 naira to them before they can have their own website. So that means that market is shrinking, and if that skill is all you have, it's no longer enough. What can help is to have complex custom development and not just web design. Next on the list of the fastest disappearing skills right now is video editing. Just a few months ago, every business needed a professional video editor to help them with their video content so that it will look professional and nice. But guess what? Right now, businesses don't need a professional. They themselves can become a professional by using tools like Descript, Adobe Premiere AI tool, and many other tools that are at their disposal to create beautiful videos that are nice and look professional and believable. So who will then be paying the video editors money to do this job for them when AI tools can already do it? So if video editing skill is all that you have, you need to be looking at what other skill you need to add to your portfolio. Next at number 6 is data entry skill, and this one is disappearing very fast. AI is able to pull information from any document, any PDFs, receipts, emails, and drop it clean into a spreadsheet with near perfection. That would be difficult for any human to actually replicate, and they can do that all the time, again and again and again. So if you make money from being able to move information from one place to the other, that market or that window is shrinking, and it's shrinking fast. And at number 7 is translation skill. Yes, ChatGPT, Gemini AI, Claude AI, and many other AI tools are able to translate across over 100 languages in a matter of minutes, and are able to replicate this over and over again. It is cheap, it is affordable, and it is reliable. It is, in fact, will give you almost close to human perfection. How a human will translate, it's they would give you the same, if not better. The only translators that are still managing to thrive are the ones that are working on legal, medical, or cultural context where nuance is everything. But if it is just basic translation, that market is very quickly shrinking. Photography is another skill that is quickly disappearing, although I strongly believe that it would not totally disappear. It will still be valuable. But come to think of it, mobile phones are getting better in terms of like camera quality. iPhones and other, even Samsung phones and other Androids are able to take pictures that are stunningly beautiful, that are clean, that look very professional. And even more, you can now edit those pictures with those editing tools that we have a ton of them. So definitely it shows you that, of course, photography is a skill that the market is shrinking very well. So if you rely on just your photography skill to make money, put food on the table, you might be disappointed. Now, let me tell you the skills that you need to learn instead of all of these skills that I've talked about that are disappearing. Let me tell you what you can learn instead and still be able to make money and make a living out of it for yourself. First, go and learn prompt engineering and workflow design. Learn how to direct AI tools to get real professional results. Companies are now desperate to employ people who know how to use AI to get the best and make work more productive and get the best result. Not just people who know that AI exists or people who just use ChatGPT. There are a lot of things that you can do with these AI tools more than just sending prompts and asking simple questions. There are lots you can do, but make sure that you learn AI and prompt engineering. It's not something that you can just learn by using these tools. There are more to it. Again, instead of just video editing skill, go and learn video storytelling and creative directing. So AI might edit footages better, but humans tell story, and that's where you have the advantage. So go and learn how to tell stories and how to direct an idea. Be a creative director of an idea so that it comes out well. That is where the bulk of the creative budget is going into now. So look more into that. Next is community building and human interaction. Learn how to build real community, real engagement, real conversation, real culture. AI cannot replace human interaction. That one is not possible. So if you can learn how to build real engagement, a lot of brands are looking for professionals who are able to do this so that they can have real connection, real engagement with their real audiences or users. Another skill that will always be in demand and very valuable is communication skill. A lot of people underestimate and underrate communication skill, but this is one skill that can help you get you to the door, and then you can get the door opened. Because even if you have all the skills in this world, all the digital skills in this world, you have coding skill, whatever, but you're unable to communicate your thoughts and ideas clearly and effectively, this may hinder your progress, sincerely speaking. So make sure you work on your communication skill, read, learn, be open to conversations that are meaningful with people, and expand your vocabularies also by reading again. So reading is very, very important, but make sure that you are being able to process your thoughts in a way that is, clear, that you can be able to present your ideas clearly to other people and it can be understood. So this is one skill that you need to work on. And if you're also a very futuristic person and you would like to know some of the skills that will still be in high demand in the next 10 years so that you can plan around those skills, I have a video where I talked about all of the skills that will still be in demand and will be valuable in the next 10 years. The video is somewhere there. Make sure you watch, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.